Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Annie. Today I will show you how to remove cloud cover from Sentinel-2 and Landsat I8 and Landsat 9 imagery using Google Earth Engine. You can use this step to for the another data sets. And cloud cover is an essential pre-processing step to ensure that the images we are use are clean and usable, especially for application like land use, land cover, vegetation monitoring, or uh, another applications. Let's start with the Sentinel-2 image collection, and after that I will show you how to do with the Landsat 8 and 9. But first, you should go to the this platform and sign in. And after sign in, should you can write your code here. But first, you should define your ROI. ROI first. Today, I will use ROI from my country, my own country, Indonesia. And today, I will use this rectangle to draw my ROI. This place is when the rainy season is, yeah, the image when I try to download is, yeah, all is covered by clouds. So let's try with this ROI. As I mentioned before, we will use data from Sentinel-2 data sets. These data sets. Okay, if you want to know about these data sets detail, you can read in the description menu. Like the revisit interval is every 5 days, so you can get the data every 5 days, and the data availability is from 2017 until now. And this is about the bands, and this is the about the resolution every bands. And today we will use the bands, the SQL bands. So in this bands is already classification of the band content is already classifications based on the values. So we will use to remove the cloud is value 3 for cloud shadow, and cloud low probability, medium probability, high probability, and cirrus. So based on this value, we will remove the clouds and the shadow of the clouds. Okay, and just input to our code editor here, and for example, make it our ROI as a center object. Sorry. For example, 12. And then just variable image, for example, Sentinel-2 dot. For example, we will filter bounds. Sorry, filter bounds with our ROI, and then for example dot filter, sorry, date. And if you want to know about how many data set that you have in this date, you can just print it image and run it in the console menu. We'll get the how many data set that you have here, 17. Just go to this picture and you can check in the properties. You will get the cloud cover. For example, in this image the cloud cover is 28.9. Try another. For example, is this image number one. So the cloud cover is 99, so you can imagine all the image is covered by the cloud. So this tools is very useful if you want to do the to remove the cloud cover in your study area. So just okay, and then as I mentioned before that we will use this value to remove 3, 7 until 10. So in this script it's already I have already make a code here. So function is cloud cover and the variable is SQL image and select the SQL and then masking SQL with the equivalent with 3 value 3 and then SQL greater than 7 and less than 10. And after that we can just map, so it will be loop here with the cloud mesh. For example, get the median value and clip with our outline. And then for example, if you want to add to the window, just make add layers. For example, image here, v, and for the visualizations, and give the name, for example, Sentinel-2, and just run it. So you will get the image something like this. Just for visualizations, we will use a false color composites. So NIR, band number 8, band number 5, and band number 4. So if you want to know about the bands, so we will use band number 8 is NIR for, and band number 4 and band number 3. So the composite it will be false color composites. Just strike for example 100 and apply it, and after a few moments okay, your image will be showing something like this. So this is for Sentinel-2. Okay, if you want to import these visualizations, and then after that you can copy here and run it. If you can compare if you didn't use the cloud mask and just run it. So without the masking, you can see this area is covered by clouds, but with the cloud removal or cloud mesh, we can see that with the median value, so your image will be showing clear, or yeah, the cloud cover is already removed. That's for the Sentinel 2. So let's go to the Landsat 8. Similar with the Sentinel 2, just go to the Landsat 8, for example. Here's okay. Sorry. So here, as I mentioned before, if you want to know about this data set, you can go to the description menu. But to know about the Landsat 8, okay. Yes, this, okay. We will use this uh, QL pixels. So, okay, yes, this. So we will use sorry, QR pixel. The band's name is QR pixels, and we will remove with this code that we will use bit 2, bit 3, bit 4, yeah, bit, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, this classification. So this is for Landsat 8, similar with Landsat. This is for Landsat 9, similar with the Landsat 8. So we will use this masking 1 bit 1 QA pixel bit 1 bit 2 bit 3 bit 4 and yeah until bit 4. Okay, that's for the Landsat age. So here I have already write the code for Landsat 8 and 9. After we import it to the window Landsat 8 and Landsat 9 here, and the filter that is similar with the Sentinel, we can compare it, and I will merge Landsat 8 and Landsat 9 because yeah, these two data set you can get more information if you merge it. And this is for a cloud mask upper Landsat, so it will be looped in every image there. And this is for the median value, and this one for the radiometrics uh, uh, correction. So if we see here, so we should multiply with this value, the scale value, and minus with the offset value here. So this is for the code for the Landsat masking. So I have already mentioned before that we will use variable for all of this, and after that get the masking value and just apply to our image. So after that you will get, okay, we should make a, sorry, okay, make Landsat to the window. Okay, here in window you will get two layer. One is for the Landsat. For Landsat we can use the data set for false color composite. For example, here is 90. Just apply it. Okay, here for Landsat 8. Okay, if you want to use these visualizations, okay, just put in your here, just run it. Okay, here for the Landsat 8, and this one is for the lens Sentinel-2, so you can compare it. Okay, that's a wife. That's all from my side. I hope you can learn something from this tutorial, and if you need the code you can write in the comments, and see you in the next video.